This is Bo. This is Tim, and this is Jen. And we made a don't fire it.
Oh no! Are you okay? Alright, don't fire it. That's cool though. Alright, so what did you make?
We made our own base.
Alright, army base.
There's some features.
Alright, well tell us about the features.
This can move up and down. This can shoot. I can move this to make this laser shoot.
One too.
And this is a satellite. You stick people in if you just push this black thing.
I was following too.
And there's a launch one track down and go.
Right. Very creative. I like how y'all work together to make that. All right, right here. Come on up. Okay.
Thank you. You should have worked together with me, right? To make it even cooler.
Now we're taking. Let's pause it for a minute.
Stop it.
Oh, it's going now. Okay.
Hello, this is Tim. And this. Let's play with it. After we're
All right, so you made 3 things today.
What the?
Okay.
These are all Hey guys, you know what makes this missile launch? The spring. I know. Don't move it up and down. To see if there's any enemies here. Don't fire it. Wait until I say go. Hi.
All right. Give him a hand.
I think there's a main part of this set.
What's the main?
All right. Let's see. Right here. More and more of you guys are wanting to share. That's awesome.
Jimmy, raise your
When you
hand.
first started sharing, nobody wanted to share. All right.
Do you see it
You're too close. You gotta back it up.
Yeah.
now?
Now I can see it.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
Too close.
Now?
Too close.
Now? Hello. Puppy dog.
Should we make some more?
All right. We're getting close to the end. I know that
You
we're having to do a lot of
spaceship.
sharing today. But remember, when it's not your turn.
That's
It's
my
quiet so
spaceship.
everyone can hear. All right. Riley, tell us about what you made.
Stop it.
Okay. Here we go.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
All right, this is Riley, and then you made a spaceship.
Ow.
All right, give her a hand.
I made a spaceship today at my house, but I destroyed it to make a jet.
All right, let's see.
I'm already finished.
Well, that's good. A jet would be it's great to
Go
make.
get down. Go down.
But it's at my home.
You show me all the features on this thing.
Puppy dog, climb over.
Okay.
All right.
This could fire.
Fire it out of the phone.
All right, tell us what you made.
I made a house and these are girls.
Trash can lid. Look at the trash can lid.
Trash can, who takes that?
Hey, stop it, Bo.
Very nice. Everyone give her a hand.